So chiffon saris have been a cult favorite with the Maharanis and the Bollywood heroines. And since we are Maharanis in our own right, I thought why not have some fun with some chiffon saris. So we are starting with recreating this look. Sharmila Tagore ji in this beautiful, elegant chiffon sari. First things first, which is the sari that the look should be recreated with? Should it be this one, which has an orangey tinge, but the floral pattern is much smaller, or this one, which is a pink color sari, but the floral pattern is much larger? Or shall we try both of them? So here we are, the saris in place, and something about chiffon saris, they're just so light and beautiful to be in that you feel like a Maharani truly. I noticed while doing my research and looking for reference images that she would do this very often, have a shawl on one shoulder. Now, the shawl is very similar to her shawl, but I don't think the color family matches. So maybe we'll try this with a different sari. But this sari looks lovely, doesn't it? It has these beautiful scalloped edges in green. It is light, it is floral, such a pleasant color for the summer. Okay, so change things up now in the pink sari. So we have also added another fun touch to this sari. It has this checkered backing, and of course it has the scallops. So you can see the checkered backing thoda sa from the front. Now to style it like Sharmila ji, she is wearing a dainty little necklace around her neck. I'm gonna add one little bangle, chota sa earrings. Let's add some pink to the lips as well. For the shawl, so earlier I was playing around with this shawl which could work, but then I also found another one, which is this one, and I think this has a lot more pink in it and the pattern is also more subtle. And now for us to be a little more prim and proper and elegant like Sharmila Tagore ji. But I feel like I want to add one last touch. And ta-da! What do you guys think? I know the shorter hairdo is very different from Sharmila ji's hairdo, but I still just wanted to try short.